Hi, welcome. In this video, we will solve problem n queens asked by companies like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Adobe, Salesforce, and ByteDance. Hi, let's check out this problem. So before we start solving it, I want you all to go through the problem statement, understand the input and output, and then you can play the video. So let's start. So given an integer n, find all the distinct solutions to the n queens puzzle, right? So place n queens on an n cross n chessboard so that no two queens threaten each other. So it is basically saying that if you have four queens, then you need to use 4 cross 4 chessboard. So basically 4 queens, 4 cross 4 chessboard, 8 queens, 8 cross 8 chessboard. So that means you need to place 8 queens, 8 cross 8 chessboard. So you can return the solutions in any order, represent each solution as an array of strings. So here you can see this is one of the solution, an array of strings, right? So you can say this is a first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. So let me show you how this represents with the exact solution. So these are our two solutions that how you can place 4 queens in 4 cross 4 chess. So first solution and second solution. So here you can see here and like in the question it is presenting like represent each solution as an array of strings where q denotes a queen and dot denotes an empty space. So here you can see dot q dot dot. So dot represents the empty space. So here you can see dot q dot dot. Similarly triple dot q. So triple space queen. Q triple dot queen triple space. Similarly dot dot q dot space space queen space. So this is our first solution and this is our second solution. So here this second solution is this one and the first solution is this one. And if n is equals to 1, so that means there is a 1 cross 1 chessboard. So there is only single space. So you can place the queen there itself and there won't be any attack from there. So let's start understanding the problem statement more deeply. So if you know the concepts of recursion and backtracking, this will be very easy for you. So here we have a 4 cross 4 chessboard. So this is my 4 cross 4 chessboard and I want to place 4 queens here. So now let's understand it very clearly. So how our queen works. So suppose this is my queen. Okay, this is my queen. So how queen can attack? So there are a few possibilities like queen can attack in this direction, in left and right, top and down, and in diagonal direction. This is top and down and in this diagonal directions. So these are the total 8 possibilities our queen can attack. But so we are placing queen one by one. So there are total 4 rows like here one by one. So suppose you place one queen here, then here, then here. So you are placing queen from top to down. Alright. So you can assume that there won't be any attack from the bottom. So I can say this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. Right. There won't be any attack possible from the bottom. So let me remove this one. Okay. Now since you are placing queens, so there is a complete surety. Suppose if you have placed a queen here, you can't place a second queen on the same row. That's why they have given a 4 cross 4 chessboard. You can't place the same queen on the same chessboard, right? Like on the same row, because there will be an attack. So we can also assume that we can't place on the same row, so there won't be any attack from the left and right as well. Okay. So now only possibilities that is remaining is the attack from the top and attack from the diagonals, the top left and top right. These are the 3 positions from where your queen can get attacked. Okay. So now let's understand. So we have 4 queens and how I will represent like simple star here. So suppose I am placing one queen here, right? This is one of the position I am placing one queen here and there is no attack from anywhere, like because this is the first queen, there is nothing above there, nothing left there. So there is won't be any attack, right? Now what we will do, we will move to the second row because we can't place any extra queen on the same row. So we will move to the second row. Can I place my queen here, top down? No, right? There will be a direct attack from the top. Can I place my queen here? No, there will be a diagonal attack. Can I place my queen here? Yes, I can place my queen here. Okay. Now again, once I place the queen, I will jump to the next row. Remember, after placing a queen, once you place the queen, you will jump to the next row because there is no any chance you can place the same queen or other queen in the same row, right? Now after placing it, I will check, can I place my queen here? No, there is an attack from the first queen. Can I place my queen here? No, direct attack, diagonal attack. Can I place here? No, top attack. Can I place here? No, because diagonal attack. So now you can see there were only 4 columns here in the row, and in 4 columns there is no any single block that I can place the queen. So that means whatever the solution I am going to get by this one won't be the solution because I am not able to place the queen here in this row completely. So even if I am able to place a single queen here, it won't be a solution because I need to place at least 4 queens, right? Right. So can I say that the previous solution, the previous attempt, the previous queen that we have placed was wrong, right? So what we will do, we will undo our selection. We will undo the process. We will backtrack it, right? This is the step of backtracking it. So what we will do, we will go to our previous step, whatever we have chosen, and we will make the undo of it that this was the wrong solution, right? Then what we will do, we will place the queen here. Okay. Can I place the queen here? Yes, there is no attack from here, right? So now let's again check. Can I place my queen here? No. Can I place my queen here? Yes, I can place the queen here. Yes, I can place the queen here. So now see, once I placed it here, I will jump to the next row. Okay. And here, can I place my queen here? No. Attack from the top. Attack from the top. Can I place the queen here? No. Can I place the queen here? No. Attack again from the top. So here also in this row, there is not any a single solution. I can't place my queen here. So again, we will backtrack to the previous step because the previous step was wrong. Okay. So what we will do, we will remove from here. We will undo the changes and we will check. Can I place my queen here? No. Can I place my queen here? No. So again, we will backtrack to the last step, right? So we will undo the changes. Okay. And again, can I place my queen here? No. So again, we will backtrack to the last step and we will get to know that this was the first wrong assumption, that placing queen in the first block, right? So what we will do, we won't place the queen here. Instead, what we will do, we will place the queen here and we will check it, right? So what we will do, we will again check it. Let's explore all the positions. Okay. In the second row, can I place my queen here? Diagonal attack, can I place my queen here? No. Top attack, can I place my queen here? No. Diagonal attack, can I place my queen here? Yes, I can place my queen here. Again, after placing the queen, I will jump to the next row. Okay. Can I place my queen here? Yes, because there is no attack, right? So I will place my queen here. Can I place my queen here? No. Attack from the top. Can I place my queen here? No. Attack from the diagonal. Can I place my queen here? No. Attack from the top, right? So I won't be able to place the queen here, but we have already placed one queen in this row. Or also, like, we have placed the one queen, we should jump to the next row. Okay, yeah. So once we placed it, we should jump to the next row. So can I place my queen here? No. Attack from the top. Can I place my queen here? No. Attack from the diagonal. Can I place my queen here? Yes, there is no attack. And once we place, we will jump to the next row, and seems like we have exhaust our all chessboard rows. So this is one of the solution, right? And you can check, like, this is one of the solution, right? This one, we got the second solution, right? Once we got our solution, what we will do, we will again try right? We will update our count of the solutions. So we got the first solution, that is 1. Then what we will do, we will again try. So what we will do, we will again backtrack to the previous step, right? So this we will change it and we will check, can we place the queen here? No, we can't place the queen here. There is a direct attack from the top, right? So what we will do, we will undo the step that we have taken before and we will undo the changes. So what we will do, I will simply move this one and I will check this position. Is it possible to place a queen here? Is it possible to place a queen here? No. Diagonal attack. Is it possible to place the queen here? No. Diagonal attack. Top attack. Now again in the same row we are not able to place the queen. So what we will do, we will again backtrack to the previous solution and we will undo the step. And here also the second row is exhausted. So what we will do, we will undo the last step and that was the first step of beginning. So that means here we can't place the queen. Now what we will do, we will again explore the next option. We can place one queen here. Once we placed it, we will jump to the next row. Let me remove all these. Once we placed it, we jump to the next row. Can I place my queen here? Yes, you can place it. No attack. Once you placed it, you can jump to the next row. Can I place my queen here? Can I place my queen here? Can I place my queen here? No attack from the top. Can I place my queen here? Yes, we can place it, right? So I will place my queen here. Once I placed it, again I will jump to the next row. Can I place my queen here? No attack from the top. Can I place my queen here? Yes, there is no attack, right? So I can place my queen here. Can I? And once I placed it, I will again move to the next row. And since here you can see all the rows are exhausted, what I will do, again I will update my count to 2. That this is the second solutions, right? And you can check. This is the solution. We are getting the solution which is quite resemble to our first solution here. Now, okay. Once we placed it, again we will undo the step. So what we will do, I will undo this step and I will explore other opportunities. So can I place my queen here? No. Can I place my queen here? No. So what I will do, I will again undo the last step and I will check, can I place my queen? So this is also exhausted. Again, I will backtrack to the last step. Can I place my queen here? No. Can I place my queen here? No. Can I place my queen here? No. Again, I will backtrack to the last step. Instead of placing here, I will check, can I place my queen here? Let's see. Yes, you can place it. Can I place my queen here? Yes. Can I place my queen here? No. Can I place my queen here? No. Can I place my queen here? Yes. So I will place it, right? Can I place my queen here? No. 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 So again, what we will do, we have done the changes. We will do the last step, right? Can I place my queen here? No. So again, what we will do, we will move. Can I place my queen here? Yes. Let's see. So once I placed it, again I will check. Can I place my queen here, here, here? No. Can I place my queen here? No. Again, what I will do, I will undo the step. I will check. Can I place my queen here? No. No. So here also, our last step was this. I will undo the changes, and all the possibilities are exhausted. Right. So the total solutions we got were only 2, and that we have discovered was output 1 and output 2. Okay. So this is how you need to explore all the opportunities, right? All the positions basically. So if I give you a simple representation is like there were in the first thing, in the first row, what we were doing, we were exploring all the columns, right? So suppose these were our 4 columns. Okay. These were our 4 columns. And once we got one of the solutions, suppose in one, we got one solution. So we checked it, like we again checked for all the 4 possibilities. Then we again checked it all the 4 possibilities. Let me just decrease its size. Then we again checked 4 possibilities, again 4, again 4, again 4. Yeah, this is how we checked it. And how we backtrack, suppose one of the solution is not working, we are backtracking to the last step, and again we are exploring to the next step, right? If we got the solution, again we are moving forward, right? Again 4 possibilities. If we are getting again one solution, again we are exploring all the 4 positions. Okay. So this is how this works, basically backtracking. Now let's understand few things, then we will move to the code implementation part, right? And this is a little bit tricky, right? We always think how we can construct a code, how we can write the code. So first of all, what things we want. Okay, so we are placing queen one by one. So suppose here I have placed one queen, right? So we are placing queen one by one. So we are placing queen on board. So we want a board something, and how we will place queen. So let's assume that all the empty spaces are as 0, right? So suppose this is 0, and you are placing queen by 1 or 2, right? So because you need to give only count, so you can use 0 or 1, you can use dot or cube. It depends to you. Suppose all our board is completely 0, okay? And if you are placing any queen, you are making it 1 basically, okay? So if I am placing my queen, I will say that this will be of board of row, particular column equals to 1. Okay, this is how I am placing. Once I placed it, I am moving to next row and again doing the same step. Remember the 4 possibilities. I am checking the 4 possibilities, right? And once I placed it, again I am doing the same thing. Again I am checking the 4 possibilities, right? So what I will do, once I placed it, I will again call my function, maybe suppose solve, right? And I will pass the board because I have added some of the changes. So I will pass the board and I will say row plus 1, right? And column will be 0 because again we are starting from the 0th column. So 0, 1, 2, 3, these are our 4 columns. And once I placed it, again I am moving to the next row and 0th column. Okay. Once you are coming from back to the one of the solutions, suppose you are coming from here, like you explore this path, right? You are coming back. So once you are coming back, you will come here, right? And suppose solution not works, right? What you will do, you will undo the step. So how you will undo the step, basically you will say board row column, what change you have made, you have changed 0 to 1. So again you will change to 1 to 0. Okay. And when you will do this change, basically when you place it, once it's satisfied that it is not getting attacked from any other queen, all right, any other queen from the top, that means once it is safe. So I can say, if I will create one function, suppose is safe, if it is safe, I will pass, suppose board, I will pass the row, I will pass the column. If it is safe, then I will execute this condition, right? If it is safe, then I will place 1 na? Okay. So then the second thing is how you can create a is safe function. So basically is function is very easy. So we need to construct this thing, right? So we need to construct this thing is safe function. Okay. So here attack can be from 3 sides. So let's explore the first top left. So if I am getting attack from the top left, I just need to iterate in this direction. So suppose I am taking 2 variables here, suppose I and j. Okay. So I will be, you can traverse in both directions. So you can from top left to down, or you can traverse in this direction. So it's up to you basically. So you can start from, let's start from the down to top, because the down position will always be known. So you will always be known for, like, a row will always be there. And suppose j I am representing with column, so column will also be there. Okay. Now from here I need to move in this direction. So here both the pointers will decrease, right? I will also decrease and j will also decrease. Okay, and so this is the starting condition. Okay, this is the starting condition for it. This will be operator, and if I say what will be the end condition here? So let's explore the end condition. End condition of both the things should be I should always be greater than equal to 0, and j will also be greater than equals to 0. Similarly, the same thing you can start from I equals to 0 or j equals to 0 to that point, that's up to you. Okay, so that is for top left. Similarly, from top to down, it's very easy. If I take this from top, again you will start from row and there will be one column, but column will always be constant. There is no change in the column. So column will always constant. You will do a decrement again, right? Because you are moving up, and again the position will be I should always be greater than equals to 0. Now the next thing is the top right. So if you want to check the attack from top right, then the starting condition will always be I equals to row, j equals to column, and end condition I always should be greater than equals to 0, but column is moving in this direction, so j should be less than n, where n is the whatever the length is. So if n is equals to 4, you need to mention 4, and I will be again minus minus, but j will be plus plus because it is increasing. So these will be our three conditions: the top left, then top, and then top right. So we are pretty good with our stuff. Like if safe condition is true, how we are going to do this? So this is clear. Basically, now we need to implement the code. So in the next video, I will tell you how you can implement this code basically.